my resolution. Okay, here we are on the 59th Street Tram. And that's the 59th Street Queensboro Bridge. And most beautiful view of the Manhattan skyline. It's me, Carl Lewis Bradley. Just walked around Roosevelt Island. It's a beautiful place. One of the hidden treasures of New York City that many people don't know about. Up ahead that way is the United Nations building. And as we go across, please take note of the East River. Pristine and clean and wonderful. And this is where Spider-Man met his demise in Spider-Man 2. And take note of the emergency